7. Turkey Creek, looking good. It's pretty clear. Not as clear as 5 Mile the other day, but it's clear. So, got my lunch, got my gear, got my coffee. Got my son's little Zepco. And with this little axe handle end, it will not fit in the rod holder. Nice little surprise. But it can sit up there for now. It's pretty short, so I'm gonna start out on my son's. I got, pull it back up. I got the old wacky rig. If I hit a hot spot, I'll sit there and finesse it. And I'm gonna be throwing 16th beetle spin, June bug, chartreuse tail, little 1-inch grub, 2 inches of the tail, ultralight. So let me get paddling. I'm gonna go up about 2 miles and float down.